हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अभी हम फिर से कुछ चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी या पेडागोगी के ऊपर कुछ क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। एमसीक्यूज हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन। योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हेन अ चाइल्ड फेल्स it means the system has failed. The child should have taken private tuitions. The child is not fit for studies. या फिर the child is not memorized the answer properly. Which is the correct option here? Your correct option is A, that is the system has failed. Now the question number 2 is, the emphasis from teaching to learning can be shifted by A, focusing on examination results, B, encouraging rote learning, C, adopting frontal teaching, and D is adopting child-centered pedagogy. Which is the correct answer here? The correct answer is adopting child-centered pedagogy. This is the correct answer. Now the question number 3 is, most effective method to teach the concept of germination of seed is to show picture of seed growth, to give detailed explanations, to draw picture on the blackboard and give description, to make the students plant seeds, sand, observe stages of the germination. Which is the best way to teach to make the students clear the concept of germination of the seed? Which is the correct option out of these 4 options? The correct option is option D. Question number 4 is, inclusive education. Option A encourages strict admission procedure, include indoctrination of the facts, celebrates diversity in the classroom, include teachers from marginalized group. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is C, that is celebrates diversity in the classroom. Now the question number 5 is, which of the following is an objective question? Short answer question, essay type question, true or false, या फिर open ended question? Which is the objective question here out of this 4? Answer is true or false. This is correct answer. Now the question number 6 is, which of the following is a feature of progressive education? Instruction based slowly on prescribed textbooks, emphasis on scoring good marks in the examination, frequent tests and the examination, flexible timetable and seating arrangement. Which is the correct answer here? The correct answer is option A, instruction based solely on prescribed textbooks. Now the question number 7 is, a teacher after preparing a question paper checks whether the question test specific testing objectives. He is concerned primarily about the question papers, typology of the questions, validity, content coverage, and the last is reliability. The correct question option is option C, that is the content coverage. Content cover हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? Now next the question number 8 is, Critical pedagogy firmly believes that the teacher should always lead the classroom instructions. The experience and the perception of the learners are important. The learner need not reason independently. What child learn out of school is irrelevant. Which is the correct option? The correct option is B, that is the experiences and the perception of the learner are important. Next, question number 9 is, school-based assessment is primarily based on the principle that a student should at all costs get high grades. Assessment should be very economical. Teachers know their learners' capabilities better than external examiners. Schools are more efficient than external bodies of the examinations. Which can be the correct answer here? The correct answer is C, that the teacher know their learners' capabilities better than external examiners. Question number 10 is, learners display individual differences, so a teacher should insist on uniform pace of learning, enforce strict discipline, provide a variety of learning experiences, and the last one is the increase number of tests. Which is the correct option? Correct option is C, that provide a variety of learning experiences. Next, question number 11 is, which of the following is a principle of development? It does not proceed at the same pace for all. All processes of the development are not interconnected. It is a discontinuous process. या फिर development is always linear. Correct option is, it does not proceed at the same pace for all. सबके लिए एक जैसी नहीं होती है. Question number 12. Human development is divided into domains such that physical, cognitive, emotional and social. Option B, psychological, cognitive, emotional, physical. Option C, physical, spiritual, cognitive and social. Option D is the emotional, cognitive, spiritual and the social psychological. Which is the correct option here? Correct option is option B, that is B, that is psychological, cognitive, emotional and physical. This is the correct option. 13th question is, a teacher uses a text and some pictures of fruits and vegetables and hold a discussion of her students. The students link the detail with their previous knowledge and learn the concept of nutrition. This approach is based on, क्या है ये? Operant conditioning of learning, theory of reinforcement, classical conditioning of learning या फिर construction of knowledge. The correct option is option D, that is the construction of knowledge. This is the correct option. Now the question number 14 is, a child starts to cry when his grandmother takes him from his mother's lap. The child cries due to separation and anxiety, strange anxiety, social anxiety, या फिर इमोशनल एनेक्सिटी? इजी है. द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, इमोशनल एनेक्सिटी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in the context of the education, socialization means always following social norms, creating one's own social norms, respecting elders in society, या फिर adapting and adjusting to the social environment. Which is the correct option here? The correct option is D, that is adapting and adjusting to the social environment. Question number 16 is, a school gives preference to girls while preparing students for a state level solo song competition. This reflects progressive thinking, pragmatic approach, global trend, या फिर gender biased. इजी है. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है जेंडर बायस्ड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 17. Vygotsky emphasized the significance of the role played by which of the following factors in the learning of child? Physical, moral, social, या फिर heredity? Which is the correct answer? The correct answer is C, that is the social. 18th question is, teacher makes use of a variety of tasks to cater to the different learning styles of her learners. She is influenced by Vygotsky's social culture theory, Kohlberg's moral development theory, पियाजे कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट थ्योरी, या फिर गार्डनर्स मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंट थ्योरी. ये कौन सी वाली थ्योरी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है, उसका बिहेवियर? इट इज डी, दैट इज द गार्डनर्स मल्टीपल इंटेलिजेंस थ्योरी. 19th क्वेश्चन इज, a teacher never gives answer to questions herself. She encourages her students to suggest answer, have group discussions, and adopt collaborating learning. This approach is based on the principle of readiness to learn, active participation, proper organization of instructional material, या फिर setting a good example and being a role model. The correct answer is very simple, that is the active participation. Question number 20 is, which of the following is a teacher related factor affecting learning? Availability of the teaching learning resources, mastery over the subject matter, proper seating arrangement, या फिर nature of the content or the learning experiences. The correct option is option B, that is mastery over the subject matter करता है. 21 question, according to the Kohl's work, a teacher can instill moral values in children by laying clear rules of behavior, giving a strict instruction on how to behave, involving them in discussion on moral issues, and giving importance to the religious teaching. Which is the correct answer here? Option C, that is involving them in discussion or the moral issues. Next, question number 22. Young learners should be encouraged to interact with peers in the classroom so that they can learn answer to questions from each other. The syllabus can be covered quickly. The teacher can control the classroom better. They learn social skills in the course of study. Which is the correct answer? D. They learn social skills in the course of study. Now the question number 23 is, when a child with a disability first comes to school, the teacher should seclude him from the other students, discuss with the child's parents to evolve collaborative plans, conduct an admission test, refer the child to a special school according to the disability. Correct answer is refer the child to a special school according to the disability. Question number 24 is, according to the Piaget stages of cognitive development, the sensory motor stage is associated with concern about the social issues, ability to interpret and analyze options, imitation memory and the mental representation, ability to solve problems in the logical fashion. Which is the correct option? Option C, that the imitation memory and the mental representation. Correct answer. Question number 25 is, human personality is a result of interaction between heredity and environment, only heredity, upbringings and the education, only education. Correct answer is answer A, that is the interaction between heredity and environment. Question number 26 is, individual attention is important in the teaching learning process because teacher training program prescribe it, teacher develop at different rates and learn differently, learners always learn better in group, it offers better opportunity to teach to discipline each learner. The correct answer is B, that the child develop at different rates and learn differently. Question number 27. Which of the following is the first step in the scientific method of problem solving? Collection of the relative information, problem awareness, verification of the hypothesis and the formation of the hypothesis. करेक्ट ऑप्शन है प्रॉब्लम अवेयरनेस. नेक्स्ट 28 इज, which of the following is a domain of learning? affective, professional, spiritual या फिर experiential. which is the correct answer? करेक्ट आंसर है इसका अफेक्टिव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 29 इज, when a child gets bored while doing a task, it is a sign that the task may have become mechanically repetitive, the class needs to be disciplined, the child is not capable of learning या फिर the child is intelligent. Correct answer is option A, the task may have become the mechanically repetitive. Next and the last question is, error of learner often indicates social economic status of the learner, the need for the mechanical drill, how they learn and the absence of learning. Which is the correct answer here? करेक्ट आंसर इज द नीड ऑफ द मैकेनिकल ड्रिल. यहाँ पे आज का वीडियो ख़त्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो भी आएगा कुछ घंटे के बाद, उसको भी पढ़िएगा. अगर आपको इससे कुछ फ़ायदा हो रहा है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल, लाइक एंड शेयर माई चैनल. थैंक यू वेरी मच.